world, my name is Daryl, better known as YG23, retired in the industry. I want you to pay close attention. I dropped everything I was doing when I saw this presentation because it blew my mind. So let's dive right in by me asking you just a few no-brainer questions. How would you like to get paid when people spend money? How would you like to take $100 and turn it into over $600 a month? How would you like to get paid to travel? Would you like to save 56 cents a mile while driving your vehicle? Would you mind if we gave you 22% off your cell phone bill? What if we got you out of debt in half the time without changing your current lifestyle? Folks, the company that can turn these possibilities into a reality is called Wake Up Now. We're waking up, folks, night and day. Now, with that being said, let's talk about how to get paid when people spend money. As you can see, these big box corporation stores, these are stores you're already familiar with. So we're not asking you to change your buying habits, folks. We're just asking you to now shop and get paid for it. Shop online with the discount and get paid for it. And with people that you know shop online on your marketplace, you can earn income. Folks, that's a no-brainer. Now, let's talk about how to save you 56 cents a mile while driving your car. Folks, business write-offs are huge today. If you're not a business owner and you're looking at this presentation, don't worry. Wake up now. This opportunity can be your business and you can receive over 450 some odd tax write-offs. Folks, you can't afford not to own a business. You can't afford not to have a plan B. We have a mobile application, you guys, called TaxBot. It's a downloadable application to any smartphone, and simply at the click of a button, you can GPS satellite track your business mileage. Folks, that's unbelievable. Business tax write-offs. Things that you pay for your business is a write-off, ladies and gentlemen. So now you can simply take a snapshot picture with this mobile application. It's going to store it in the cloud of your software. Folks, this is absolutely mind-blowing. People are joining our business just for this one tool right here called TaxBot. You should as well. Now let's talk about how do you get out of debt in half the time. Well, folks, every penny saved is a penny earned. We have the financial management software that's going to teach you how to manage your finances better. Plug in all your accounts and guess what's going to happen? It's going to track it for you guys. It's going to give you a debt financial analysis of where you are. The money that you're able to save from using our products and using our services, you can apply that to your debt ratio and watch your debt ratio begin to decrease. Folks, we are a business that's literally helping folks to eliminate debt. A lot of opportunities that help you to save money, but here in this opportunity, we're going to help you to manage your money, save money, folks, and make money. And with that being said, folks, let's continue on. Prioritize your debt to pay first and how quickly you will be able to get out of debt following our automated system, you guys. This is just a snapshot of an example of how our Wake Up Finance money management system works. It comes with access of being a member. Now, we do have identity theft for our protection. We will bring a security called Cyberhood Watch to your computer. If you guys, if your computer get a virus, we'll fix it for you. We'll take over your computer screen and fix it for you. Identity theft protection, folks. Fraud is happening all over the world today. We're going to, guess what, protect your identity. Now, let's talk about saving more money. Folks, our online marketplace is unique. We have over 3,000 participating merchants, okay? You receive a Visa Wake Up Now debit card for free in the mail after you sign up. Get up to 40% cash back, folks, for just shopping online. It's something you're going to do anyway. Earn cash back and rewards for doing so. We have an option called Free Stuff online in our marketplace. Every single day you can wake up to savings. Every single day you can wake up to free deals. Folks, this is absolutely unbelievable. You can also, if you're an Advocate reader, you can also get up to 3 5-star magazine subscriptions per month through Wake Up Now. Isn't this total value, you guys? Now let's talk about our vacation club. Who don't like to travel? We have travel discounts, ladies and gentlemen, cruises, hotels, I mean, you name it, condos and villas all over the world. You can join our vacation club also and get those special prices on our villas and condos. Get your travel portal and book your flights. Ladies and gentlemen, just look at the screen. Look at our December ski deals. Look at our Royal Resort Suite 7 nights for $349 in Las Vegas. Folks, this is unbelievable. No wonder Wake Up Now is taking flight. Now, let's talk about our grocery coupons because a lot of people out here are catching on to the coupons savings and becoming fanatics, you guys. This is something that's unbelievable. We offer this as well. So if you're looking at this presentation, don't look at it for just yourself. Look at it for many other friends and family members that you know that would love to take advantage of these savings, you guys, and these products and services. Now, this is something that's awesome because if you're a Verizon Wireless or AT&T customer, we're going to give you instantly 22% off your phone bill. Folks, that's huge savings. If you're a T-Mobile customer, don't worry. We're going to give you also a 12% discount on your cell phone bill. Folks, it only gets better with Wake Up Now. We're waking folks up to financial freedom because what happens is you can download our application that's going to locate daily deals in your community, in your neighborhood, folks. And guess what? It's called Scoop Hive. All right, and you locate that deal, your nearest discount is just a scoop hive away, and you can go there and locate it and get your discount. Now remember, there's no selling overpriced things people don't want or need. There's no changing where you buy, how you buy, or what you buy. Folks, we are a simple savings club, a simple savings network, the same as LA Fitness or Sam's Club, you guys. You pay a monthly fee for access to be able to have services and products at your disposal, which is a no-brainer. Now, let's talk about how to get started and Wake Up Now. Folks, it's $99.99, very cost-effective to get started. All right, this business is so easy, a 5-year-old can do it. And guess what? That's the monthly fee. There's no sign-up charge, you guys. The company just asks that you pay up front the monthly fee. And guess what? Don't worry about paying $100 a month. Look at all that value. Look at all those savings, you guys. You literally can save up to $300 to $500 every single month for $99.99 a month. You do the math. It doesn't take a rocket science, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's talk about paying it one time. Once you refer 3 people to the network, guess what happens, ladies and gentlemen? You now have your monthly fee coming out of profit and not out of pocket by just simply referring 3 people. Guess what? Everybody knows 3 people that want to travel wholesale, shop wholesale, manage their money better, and save and make money all at the same time, folks. That's unbelievable. Now, let's take a look at the big money making opportunity, guys. We're changing the face of network marketing. Average people are winning because guess what, folks? It doesn't take a whole lot. Those same 3 people that get your monthly fee taken out of profit and not out of pocket, guess what, folks? They're going to introduce the opportunity to 3 more people. All right, those 3 are going to do the same thing. It's the power of duplication, you guys. This is network marketing at its finest. But once you become a founder of 3, which is a total of 12 people in your organization, guess what happened, folks? You're earning a over $600 residual income. Ladies and gentlemen, this is phenomenal. And you also have a chance for your first check to even be higher because we offer a $50 director bonus for every individual that come into your organization. Once you hit founder 3, you guys, of $50. That's huge. People first checks are $800, $900 in pure residual income, you guys. This is a no-brainer. Get in at ground floor level right now, folks. A total team of 12. You only enroll 3. You help those 3 get 3. And guess what? You earn $600 in residual income. If that's not enough, guess what, folks? There is more income. So let's get you to the 600 club first, you guys. What can you do with an extra $600? Hey, that pays a car note, somebody rent, it helps pay bills, save for college tuition, whatever the case might be. But guess what? We have more income. Just personally bring in 1 more person, you have 4 directs to you, and guess what happens, you guys? That team of 12 is going to absolutely turn into a team of 113 people, ladies and gentlemen. 113 people right here. Okay, you can't stop this train. This is network marketing. The company is going to yield you a residual income of $2,750, close to $3,000, you guys, for that team of 12 turn into 113 people, and that can duplicate pretty fast, you guys. So let's talk about another level of income called our Founder 5. Personally bring in 1 more person, but before you do that, you can take a trip with that $250 luxury bonus. Now, more money. Founder 5, bring in 1 more person. That team of 113 people is going to double over a period of time. 226 people from 113 people, just personally bringing in 1 more person the next month. This company is going to pay you close to $6,000 in pure residual income, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that. Here's your car bonus. What are you waiting on? Get involved and Wake Up Now. Folks, we have everything you need. All right. Now let's talk about more money. Let's go on to a nice 5-figure income, you guys. A great 6-figure income, actually. Founder 6, personally enroll 1 more person, and guess what happens, you guys? The company is going to yield you a higher residual income once that 226 team member platform turns into 450 people, you guys, overnight. And guess what happened? The company is going to pay you out close to $10,000 a month in pure residual income. This does not include the weekly matching checks, you guys. This does not include the money you're receiving once your organization shops online. Woo! This is hot, ladies and gentlemen. What are you doing? Saving people on money? You don't have to sell and convince nobody on saving money. Folks, this is a no-brainer. Now, you personally max out the comp plan by bringing in one more person, which turned into 7 people personally, you guys. And we have a holding tank so you can support your people. We have a waiting tank where you can place people. Folks, this is a no-brainer. That 450 people, go out and sponsor one person each. You reach a total of 889 people. This company is going to pay you out a residual income of close to $15,000 a month. $15,000 a month for doing the same thing, you guys. I'm excited about this program, and you should be also. Now, there's more income. So if you're a heavy networker, looking at this presentation, if you're an average person that just dream big, look at the income. We're talking about close to $114,000 a month that you can earn in this opportunity. So the big money is at the table, ladies and gentlemen. Don't get it twisted. The big money is here. 6 figures a month you can earn through Wake Up Now, you guys. Okay, 6 months to 6 figures you can earn through Wake Up Now. If you want to earn an extra $600 to $1,000 a month, we provide every financial platform that you want to earn within our opportunity, guys. You can go beyond. There is no limitation. Now, let's talk about our management and support team. Over 40 employees, you guys. We're a well-funded public company operating out of Utah. Our CEO is Kirby Cochran. Our president is Jason Elrod, you guys. Kirby Cochran has built and ran billion-dollar per year companies for over 10 years, over $100 million in profit per year. He said Wake Up Now will dwarf anything he's done in the past and has potential to be the greatest network marketing company of all time. Folks, this is absolutely powerful. So we're a rock solid company, well-funded, products and services everybody need, you guys. We have the #1 compensation plan, in my opinion, in the world. That's for the average person. There's money at the table for you heavy hitters. And here's how much it costs. $99.99 to get started. We're going to waive the sign up fee, you guys. If you feel you can't get 3 people and you don't want to work the network, that's fine. Become a customer for $24.95. You get access to the services, you guys. We have our retail portal as well available. So you pick and decide what you want to do. And remember, refer 3 and the monthly fee comes out of profit, not out of pocket. Everyone knows at least 3 people who like to save money, make money while traveling and shopping for wholesale, folks. Now, here's the greatest thing that I love about this company. Satisfaction guaranteed. Stay with Wake Up Now as an active paying IBO for 12 consecutive months. Use 2 products at least 1 time per month. Guess what happens, guys? You're going to earn a free trip valued at $1,500 paid for by Wake Up Now through our vacation club. Folks, this totally takes away the fear. This totally takes away any reason why you shouldn't do this business. This takes away the risk, you guys. Risk takers get places, but this automatically took that risk away. Now let's recap. Get paid when other people spend money. You can easily turn $100 into $600 a month. I shared that with you. You can save $1 for every 2 miles you drive. You can get paid to travel and save thousands in the process. Right now, you can receive 22% off your cell phone bill. You can get out of debt in half the time without changing your current lifestyle. Protect yourself through our identity theft protection, daily deals, magazine, language, learn any language you want to in the world, and more to come. Folks, here's what you need to do. Get back with the person who invited you to view this video and get started right away.